Okay, we're going on a small hike in our backyard. I have this little lady, Aubbers. Look. So we're all here. We already had one accident. He fell on the bike. He wants to go. There's Brayden. Brayden, say hi. Nali decided to go hike with us. Shawn as well. There's our leader. We'll see how the trip goes. Huh? Look at this guy. He's riding his bike. Go fast, Drew. Come on. Yeah, looks like someone's over there. Oh, at the sheep corral? Yeah. Yeah. So nice, pretty little walk. Okay, so we're almost there. Everybody finally caught up to us. We're going way up there. It's just me and baby chilling out here. I think I'm a jacket because it was super hot. And then that guy's still right there. Hey, what are you doing? Whoops. Oh, okay. Let me see. Show it to me. So, I read in the news that all the Navajo parks are closed. But look at this. Free. And nobody. How pretty it is. There's a little slot canyon right there. You can climb on top. We're almost there. Baby keeps on bothering my hat. Took it off several times. She's loving the ride though. Well, we finally made it. Isn't that pretty? Looks like a elephant trunk. It's crazy. Wind erosion made that. Isn't that beautiful? Luckily, this Navajo park right here is still open. Well, just for us, but some people ride their things here, quads through here. But look at it. It's really pretty. Whoa! Woo! Slipped on a little rock. I'm alive. Oh! There it is. You can hear my army coming. Pretty place. Love coming here. Hi, Aubbers. You like it? The boys are loving it. Oh, look at that. Look at all your rocks, buddy. How many did you get? 20. Are you helping brother count? Are you sliding on the rock like the Navajo lizards? What? You want to slide down with them? Oh. Whoa. Little rock climber. She's trying to get to her auntie. Auntie's like, oh, whoa!
So we've done playing, doing all our TikTok videos, and we're going to head back. Dad might have to run down and get the quad to pick me up because my heel is hurting.
That was fun. Packing up. Let's head out! Get your stuff. Let's go. Now.
Hurry up, let's go.
Now!